Let us continue the grammar corner. Read these sentences. First sentence, Arunima must not give up. Next, she will have to struggle. In this sentence, do you know the underlined words? Must, will. What do you call these words? These words called modals. Today we are going to learn the modals. Modals are auxiliary verbs. These are the auxiliary verbs. Do you know the helping verbs? Which are these helping verbs? Helping verbs are am, is, are, was, were, and have, has, and had. These are the helping verbs. So, like that, we are going to learn here two types of auxiliary verbs. First is helping verbs. Verbs are, is, am, are, was, were, do, does, and did, which are used to express tense. And next type it is modal verbs or modals, which are used to express likelihood, means here possibility, ability, capacity, possibility, and ability means here capacity, permission, and obligation, obey someone, to obey someone, okay, obey elders, to obey your elders. These are the modal verbs. Here are the list of modals: can, will, could, would, may, shall, might, should, must. These auxiliary verb use commonly. Okay, let us see the example of can. First, can is used to talk ability. It is used to show the ability, means capacity. First sentence, I can play piano. In this sentence, if anybody knows the piano how to play, that's why he or she maybe tell, I can play piano. Piano, it is the instrument. Next sentence, I can give you a lift home. I can reach you to your home with my bike. Next, can is used to ask for thing. Can I borrow your eraser? Borrow means take someone for some time. You have to take something for some time. Okay, so can I borrow your eraser? It is used as a question in place of question place. We have to use can. Next, can you lend me 10 rupees? Lend means give me rupees for some time. 10 rupees here we can say उसनवार घेणे किंवा उसनवार देणे. Can you lend me 10 rupees? Next, to take permission. We can use can for the permission. Can I leave early today, please? Here is someone taking the permission to leave from the school or to leave from the office. So he is requesting, please, can I leave early today? Next, can I take this seat? Someone is taking permission for the seat while traveling in the bus or by the train. Anyone, plus someone is asking or taking the permission. That's why we have to use here can. Cannot is used to talk about things we are unable to do. Cannot used to talk about things we are unable to do here. You cannot park here. Someone is telling, or security guard is telling, you can't park your car here. Next, I cannot lend you 100 rupees. I can't lend you. मैं आपको उधार पैसे नहीं दे सकता, 100 रुपीज़ नहीं दे सकता. So I can use here, we can use here cannot to show unable to do. Means we are not able to help someone or somebody. Let us do the exercise. Use can or cannot to complete the following sentences. A. I dash dash speak Tamil, but I dash dash follow it if you speak slowly. Here we have to write here, I cannot speak Tamil. I cannot speak Tamil, but I can follow. But I can follow it if you speak slowly. Next, we dash dash hear the speaker early at the back of the room. There is no need to use the microphone. So you have to read the once again this sentence carefully. We can hear the speaker clearly at the back of the room. There is no need to use the microphone. So we can hear the speaker. So right here can. Next, are you sure you dash dash come to party for even half an hour? Are you sure? Someone is asking permission. Asking your sureness. Are you come? Can you come to the party for even half an hour? Can you? So we have to write here can you. Can, it is showing the possibility. Are you come? Are you sure to can come to the party for even half an hour? Half an hour? 1.5 hour. Half hour or otherwise 1.5. Okay. D. Next, dash dash you smell smoke. I think something is burning. Can you smell? Can you smell smoke? Something is burning. This is a question. E. If you don't have his address, you dash dash look it up in the directory. Yes, you can. If you don't have his address, you can look it up in the directory. Now remaining the sentence, you have to try to complete it. Okay. Next, you have question. I dash dash believe she got a promotion after working for just 3 months. I dash dash. I can't believe she got a promotion. Yes. We can't believe anyone or she or he may be after working for just 3 months and he or she got the promotion after 3 months. So how could I believe? How could we believe? Okay. Next, G. Dash dash you help me pack these books in the carton. Can you help me? H. From the top of the TV tower, you dash dash see right across the town. You cannot see right across the town. From the top of the TV tower, you can see. You can see, correct. Next, where is my phone? I put it on the table and now I dash dash find it. Where's my phone? I put it on the table and now I cannot find it. So she is not getting, so she said I cannot find it. Last one, dash dash you tell me how to get to the railway station. Can you tell me how to get the railway station?